Students who enter our plumbing and welding program are challenged to work with their hands and think quickly to solve problems. There's nothing more satisfying than working with your hands, twisting, turning objects to your desire. We strive to help students gain the confidence they need to go into any job or situation feeling confident with themselves. In our program, we have a motto: confidence, empowerment, and achievement. These three things can only be achieved through building on the abilities we strive to teach in our classes. That is why we have created real workplace challenges for students to practice their skills in class. We see the lives of our students changing drastically from the moment they enter the program to when they leave. Their confidence builds as they start to undertake small projects in their home. The set of skills they leave Sheridan with have applications all over the world. With the population increasing in our world today, the demand for hardworking trades workers is at an all-time high.